Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today we will be adding thread to the Janome Jem Gold 660 sewing machine. So you should have your spool thread ready as well as your bobbin thread ready. So let's get to threading the machine. First thing we're going to do is start with the spool thread. I'm going to put my spool thread on my spool pin and add my spool holder. Now it kind of got broke in transition, but it still works. All right, I'm going to turn the machine around to show you how to add it to the thread guide. However, you do not have to do this, but I want you to be able to see it close up so that you will know what to exactly do. So you're going to take your thread and place it through this plastic indentation here, and then take it under the metal flap here, and then there we go. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do in order to attach the thread to the thread guide. Okay, so I'm going to do that here. I take it here and put it under, and there we go. So we did number one, and number one is here. So number two is going to go down on this side, and this number two says come back up. So we're gonna go back up. Okay, so at this part, you're going to use the hand wheel and turn it towards you. As you turn it towards you, you're going to look here and you're going to lift up the metal take up lever until it's at its highest position. You're going to take the thread and we're going to put it through the hole. And you're going to take it and run it around the back and let it come to the front. There it goes. So now it's in there. Okay, so once again, I'm pulling up and I take the thread and go around the back. Let the thread touch the back of the plastic there, and then you're gonna pull it up. All right, the next step for number four is we're gonna put it through this clamp here, and then I'm gonna floss it through so it's actually inside of the clamp. Okay, this one actually has a needle threader, which I will show you in a separate tutorial. Take my scissors and cut it close so that it's easy to thread the machine. And then I'm gonna put it through the hole of the needle. Hole of the needle is down at the bottom of the needle, like that. And I do that quickly because I've been doing this for a very long time. All right, I'm pulling it through very, very, very slowly. Very, very, very slowly so that it doesn't wrap around the needle. And then I will lift up the presser foot lever here and put the thread through the center of the presser foot like this. Let it go under and to the back. Okay, and pull that to the back. You should have about 4 to 5 inches hanging. Okay, so I put that to the back there, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our page. Don't forget to hit that super thanks and follow us on our socials. We have online learning coming soon, as well as Learn to Sew classes ATL. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.